Socializing your dog with children is not just about preventing bites. It's about creating a foundation of mutual respect, understanding, and love. A well-socialized dog is more likely to be at ease around children, understanding their unpredictable movements and high-pitched squeals. This understanding paves the way for a harmonious relationship, where both dog and child can enjoy each other's company without fear or anxiety. Imagine a child approaching your dog, eager to pet its soft fur. A well-socialized dog, accustomed to gentle interactions with kids, will likely respond with a wagging tail and a relaxed posture. On the other hand, a dog lacking proper socialization might misinterpret the child's approach as a threat, leading to fear-based reactions. The early stages of a dog's life are critical for socialization. Just like a child learns social cues and behaviors, puppies go through a crucial developmental period where they are most receptive to new experiences. Exposing them to children during this time, in a safe and controlled manner, helps them develop into well-adjusted dogs that are comfortable and confident in the presence of kids. Socializing your dog with children reaps benefits for both parties. For dogs, it reduces fear and anxiety around children, making them less likely to react defensively. It teaches them appropriate ways to interact with kids, understanding their boundaries and play styles. This understanding fosters a sense of calm and acceptance, allowing dogs to relax and enjoy the company of their younger family members. Children, too, benefit immensely from positive interactions with dogs. Growing up with a well-socialized dog teaches children empathy, responsibility, and respect for animals. The bond between a child and a dog can be incredibly strong, providing companionship, emotional support, and a sense of security. These early positive experiences with dogs can shape a child's perspective on animals, fostering a lifelong love and respect for all creatures. It's a testament to the powerful connection between humans and animals, a bond that enriches the lives of both. The key to successful socialization lies in gradual and positive introductions. When introducing your dog to children, always supervise the interaction, especially in the beginning. Keep initial meetings brief and calm, allowing your dog to approach the child at its own pace. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats and praise to reward your dog for calm behavior around children. Teach children how to approach the dog gently, avoiding any sudden movements or loud noises that might startle them. Engaging in age-appropriate play is a fantastic way to strengthen the bond between dogs and children. Choose activities that both enjoy, such as gentle fetch, hide-and-seek with toys, or simply relaxing together on the floor while the child reads a book. Section 4. Overcoming hurdles, common challenges, and solutions. Socializing dogs and children doesn't always go smoothly. Some dogs might be naturally more wary of children, while others might get overly excited and jump up. Recognizing these challenges is the first step toward addressing them effectively. If your dog displays fear or anxiety around children, avoid forcing interactions. Instead, focus on gradual desensitization. Keep a safe distance and reward your dog for calm behavior. Slowly decrease the distance over time, always ensuring your dog remains comfortable. On the other hand, if your dog gets overly excited, teach them impulse control. Before allowing interaction, have your dog sit or lie down calmly. This helps them understand that calm behavior is rewarded with attention from the child. Remember, patience and consistency are key. By understanding your dog's cues and addressing their individual needs, you can overcome these hurdles and create a positive and safe environment for both your dog and the children. Section 5. Safety first. Protecting both ends of the leash. Safety is paramount when it comes to dogs and children. Never leave them unsupervised, no matter how well socialized your dog may seem. Teach children to respect the dog's space, avoiding disturbing them while they're eating, sleeping, or playing with a favorite toy. Educate children about dog body language. Teach them to recognize signs of stress or discomfort in dogs, such as yawning, lip licking, or turning their head away. If a dog displays these signals, it's crucial to give them space and avoid any further interaction. Always supervise children when they're giving treats to the dog, ensuring they offer treats gently on an open palm to prevent accidental nips. By implementing these safety measures, you create a secure environment where both dogs and children can thrive. Section 6. Reaping the rewards, a harmonious family life. The effort invested in socializing your dog with children yields invaluable rewards. The bond between a child and a dog is truly special, filled with unconditional love, laughter, and companionship. Witnessing your dog and children playing together harmoniously, sharing a deep and unspoken understanding, is a testament to your efforts. A well-socialized dog becomes an integral part of the family, participating in outings, snuggling up for story time, and providing unwavering emotional support. This harmonious integration enriches family life, creating a loving and joyful atmosphere for everyone. The memories created, the laughter shared, and the bond forged between your dog and children will last a lifetime. A testament to the power of positive socialization and the unwavering love between a child and their canine companion. Section 7. Final thoughts, nurturing the bond. Socializing your dog with children is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, patience, and a deep understanding of both your dog and children's needs, but the rewards, as we've explored, are immeasurable. By fostering positive interactions, teaching respect for boundaries, and prioritizing safety, you create a loving and harmonious environment where both dogs and children can thrive. Embrace the journey, celebrate the milestones, and cherish the unique bond that blossoms between a child and their furry best friend. It's a bond that enriches lives, warms hearts, and creates lasting memories for years to come.